Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you a simple technique to create a lightning animation. I expect you guys to be creative and improve my method. Before we begin, I've a request to make. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and help me reach 1000 subs. I thank you in advance. Now let's begin. Like always, we first edit our canvas properties and click OK. Then we're gonna add a solid color layer and make it black. This will be our background. Now we select Spline tool, and after deselecting the Create Outline button and giving our spline a name, we'll create a simple zigzag lightning-like shape. Once done, then we'll group the lightning region layer and add a noise distortion layer to it. We'll rename the group layer as well. After then we'll duplicate the first group layer and change the color of the lightning region of this layer to a light red and rename the group again. We'll repeat the same, and this time we'll change the color to red and rename the group again. Before we go further, keep in mind that renaming each group layer is very much important. Now to create the starting flash, we'll first create a red region layer using the Spline tool, and a white region layer within it and group both of them together. Then we're gonna add a blur layer and adjust its size to a suitable value. Now we'll temporarily hide the blur layer, and then select the Draw tool, and deselecting the Create Region button from the Properties panel and changing the outline color to red, we'll create some shapes along the lightning. After that we select the Width tool and change the width of the newly created outline layers. Now after re-enabling the blur layer, we'll see a beautiful flash. Now it's time to create diffused lightning. We're gonna use Draw tool with white outline color. We'll create some random lines along the lightning layer. And using Width tool, we'll change the width of these outline layers. Then we'll group them and rename the group layer. We'll also add a blank group layer below the flash layer. Once done, we group all the lightning layers into a switch layer. Now it's time to animate. Create the first keyframe and change the opacity of flash layer to 0. Then add another keyframe and change the opacity of the flash layer to 1. Then after one frame, change the switch group active layer to light lightning group and subsequently change to mid and high and dissolved lightning layers as we move further ahead in timeline. Create another keyframe when the active switch layer is showing the dissolved lightning. And after 4 or 5 keyframes later, create another keyframe and change the opacity of flash to 0. Now preview the animation and save it. That's it.